Unfortunately, we did have 233 cases of community transmission in the last 24 hours. At least 47 of those at this stage were infectious in the community for that time, and that's the number we're desperate to see reduce. Very sadly, a male in his 20s passed away at home with COVID from southwestern Sydney overnight. Obviously, our deepest condolences to his family and loved ones, but it demonstrates again how this disease is lethal, how it affects people of all ages. Unfortunately, the gentleman wasn't vaccinated, hadn't had any dose of the vaccine, and as we understand it, the death happened quite suddenly, but I'll ask Dr. Chant to provide any further details on that.
In terms of the, tragically, there were 2 deaths. A woman in her 80s from the Inner West died at Royal Prince Alfred Hospital yesterday, and she tested positive for COVID on the July 27th and was being cared for in the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital since then, and she was not vaccinated. And there was also a man in his 20s from southwestern Sydney. He died at his home yesterday, and he was confirmed case of COVID and was isolating at home. He was being cared for by Southwestern Sydney Local Health District during his isolation period, and he'd reached for day 13. He was being followed up daily by nursing staff, and he had suddenly deteriorated. So that death is also being referred to the coroner, as I understand it.